Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to flip the video in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to flip a video in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account. And then type video in the search bar, or you see this icon video, just click here, and then you choose the size of the video or the style you want. For example, this one 1920 by 1080. After that, click Uploads and then click Upload Files. Then you can upload the video from your laptop. But I already have some videos here in Canva. I have used it in different projects before. Just need to click here, Videos, and I can choose one of those videos are here. For example, this one. And I can resize it. After that, click flip, and here flip horizontal, and here if you want to flip vertical. And then if you click the 3 dots, okay, here set video as background. No, let me just remove it. Right click, detach video from background, and you see this icon here. You can rotate the video. You can rotate it this way or other way. And if you want to rotate this way, for example here, you can also increase the size of the video. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to flip the video in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.